Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. Georgia Giraffe's with us today, and we are on to the penultimate issue of ImagineFX magazine for the year of 2024. So this here should hopefully be issue number 245 for December 2024, and then the next one will be a Christmas one, the last one. So what I do on these is I just go through and have a look for the first time and see what we think. These are the ones so far this year, and my favourite covers have been these three, I think. There's been a lot of really cool covers this year, but my three favourites are these ones. Oh, look how cool they are. So the question is this one going to be as nice as that one? I can't remember what the topic was for this issue. But oh look, we've got it's going to be dark, a slightly dark bit on the cover. The glue that they use on these envelopes is, look, Georgia Giraffe bit stuck to it now. It's like you almost need like scissors. Oh, this is exciting. Brum, brum. Oh, discover the rising stars. This is by the artist Hoang. It's like a robotic. That's quite sort of sad in a way, that one. Well, it's definitely one of my favourite covers. I don't think it's going to be my favourite cover of the year. Can I get these out of the way? It's quite hard to. I haven't got really much space on this desk. I really like that cover. The thing that strikes me the most is how like dark it is. Because normally these this year a lot of the covers have been quite light, so this is quite a striking one for me, I think. Yeah, I feel sad for her, I do. I feel sad for her. Do you think it's a robot with a woman's head on it, or do you think it's a woman who's been turned into a robot? We shall. Hey, little Rob gets a kiss from George. That's quite fun. Look, the rising stars of 2024. Oh, cool. So that's what that is. I like it when they do that. Each year they do that. The rising stars. What strikes? I love the look. Hey, Simone Grünewald, one of my favourite artists. It's her sketchbook, and the artist's studio is Margaux Kindhauser. Look, we've got She-Hulk there. She-Hulk. I like the look of this. That looks cool. That looks cool. That is going to be amazing. I like the look of that one. Yeah. And we've got that as well. Watch this. Dun dun dun. Oh, yeah. Look, the final issue this year is going to be a sketchbook special. That's the second one they've done this year. Look, backed by popular demand. Get inspired with over 90 pages of dazzling sketches. Because look, wait a minute. Where is it? One of these. Was it this one? No, one of these. Was it this year? Maybe it wasn't this year. What I know is, it must have been last year. God, how quickly time goes. But what they did was, last year they had an issue, all it was sketches. They're going to do that again. That's going to be brilliant. They're going to end the year with a... Look, this is the subscriber cover with no text on it. It looks so much better, doesn't it? Without the text on it. That's what I think. Lovely, look. Hoang. This is the FXPosé section. I hope the lighting's alright in here. It's It's a really beautiful sunny day, but it's quite hard to get the lighting right on these videos sometimes. I love this one. Yeah, I really like this artist. Cool. Yeah, another cool one there. Esteban Guzman. It's cool, isn't it? This FX, look. How nice is she as well? Zara. Look at that. Almost looks like demons. Yeah. That is cool. Look, vampire, shadow lady. Maybe she's a witch. Yeah, it must be a witch. And then we got two blokes here. See, these two blokes look a bit out of place with these. Maybe these are the victims. Huh. That's what. Oh, look. Jakob Eirich. Look at that, look. How cool's that? Look. That's brilliant. Now, I wonder if they drew that upside down. Do you think they drew that bit like that and then turned it around to draw that bit? I've never seen anything like that before. And we've got like a cartoony one here, which is like, look, Lee Chu. Yeah, this is like a little video game or something. I can imagine this being concept art for a video game. That's what I'm thinking. Look, nice sort of colours, that is, like a pastel-y. Look, very sort of what would you like? It's like sort of gentle, friendly. Oh, look. It's cool, isn't it? I like stuff like that. These are rookies. That's cool. The Rise of Cara, a home for artists. I'm actually on that, but I haven't done nothing on it. Because what happened, I think it was Jake Parker on the SVS Learn podcast. He was talking about how everyone's signed up to that because of, was it Instagram uses your artwork with AI or something. So everyone went over to Cara. But do you remember the good old days of DeviantArt? Like in 2013, I absolutely loved DeviantArt. I was like addicted to it, I was. Oh, these are nice. Blue and orange. Can you hear me, cat? Hello. She's just come in. I like his little face. Got funny faces these have. I like the colours on these. Chloe. You can have a wrestle with Georgia Giraffe. She likes wrestling with these puppets. Da, da, da. Here we go, look. Margaux Kindhauser's art studio. First thing that strikes me is it's very clean. Even though there's like lots of stuff everywhere, it's sort of, yeah, little monster there. Her pencil case is like a little creature eating the pencils. That's quite funny, eh? I like the flowers, the plants being there as well. Hey, I've seen that on eBay. Is that this artist? I wonder if that's this artist's art book. I love coloured penciled sketches. I always like looking at the art books that they have on their shelf as well. Hello. She can have a little kiss. It's cool. Look, little creatures. I like that. It seems like a nice workspace up there. Letters! Rising Stars of 2024, look. What one's my favourite on that side? I quite like that one. I like that one now. I find I like that one. It's mysterious. My favourite one on this side, I'm not really into environments, so nothing really excites me on that one. Yeah, look, I like that. I like that one. I like these sort of characters. Fun little characters. That's nice. Oh yeah. That's nice as well. That's my favourite one on that. Look. It's cool, it is. Here we go, look. Not really into that either. Don't really get excited by vehicles either. Which is quite funny. Oh yeah, this is it. Simone Grünewald. The sketchbook. Yeah, that's a trademark of her, is coloured pencil sketches. I've got a couple of her art books. I love her. Look. How cool is it? Gestures everywhere, look. Wibbly wobbly, you can almost like feel that. An angry mermaid. You don't very often see that, do you? Angry mermaids. Oh, cool that is. Mermaid 2024. There's like funniness in her characters. She-Hulk. And this is the workshops here. Oh yeah, somebody did ask in one of the other videos if you still get downloadable brushes and videos. You do still get them, but in the old days they used to like show you it all on one page. What it is now is you have to look for little symbols inside of the magazine. So if you see like little symbols like that, it means that there's a video you can download. "15 tips for great concept designs." Yeah, I think this one's probably going to be better to read. That's what I'm thinking. Because just looking at the titles, it looks like there's a lot of information here. Look, create mood for the character. Kitbashing for speedy images. Kitbashing? I don't know what that means. I like the way that colour is all, it's like one, it's really all like a bluey grey, but it somehow works cool. I like that. Build your concept art efficiently. Dark and dingy there, look. Skeletons. This is like something out of you know that, what's that film? That film with Jason and the Argonauts. Packing details. I like that one. Look. That's cool, isn't it? That monster reminds me of something as well. I can't remember. I think it's another video game. Yay! Get warm with a creative exercise. Reveals how she prepares for a character design session with a fun and simple shape exploration. So this is, yeah, this is another cool one to read. For like, hopefully, is it like just a drawing exercise? Turning shapes into characters. Look how fun yeah. Those characters are all about the shapes, aren't they? It is quite weird how, like, a character, you can have some characters who are all about, like, the gestures, and then other ones are all about, like, the shapes. Yeah, I know, Chloe. It's good, isn't it? And let Chloe back out. Out you go. In and out. Hello. That reminds me of Pigeon Street. Do you remember in the 80s, if you go down to Pigeon Street, here are the people that you will meet. And I remember people looking out the windows and stuff. Also reminds me a bit of Futurama. Quite good. That's nice. Create accurate ancient details. Look at that, look. That's mad. Yeah, David and Goliath. That's cool. Hey, look, there's a little sketch there, look. Yeah, it's always interesting what they changed from the initial sketch to the finish. What they did was they pulled the sword up, so it was a bit more like about to stab the little character. Deadpool. Hey, turtles, look. Predator. I had a dream the other night of predators. There was this predator that killed a predator. It was like a advanced predator, and it was on the loose. And everyone, like, basically the whole world had to hide from this predator that was on the loose. It was I like this one, look. Pretty cat. Oh, I love this as well. And we get the art studio, look. Yeah, you get the whole process there, look. So they're working digitally and traditionally together. Cool. And that's it. We end with first impressions. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I really did enjoy that. I'll tell you the best thing is that Simone Grünewald's sketchbook. I wasn't too excited by the workshops today. I think I like the traditional section more than the digital, although that one there, that's my favourite workshop. That's cool. Like I said though, I think there's a lot of this that's going to be really cool to read, like that one. I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 245 for December 2024 of the ImagineFX magazine, and I shall see you later for another one.